Granton seo agus a Stefan Abbie Larkin to an dorcúil Abbie Larkin sin sábal ítach
My first year playing senior was amazing, and hopefully this year there's a lot more opportunities there. I hope I can give a lot more and show myself how good I am. I started obviously playing with Shelbourne. I got my first start and I got man of the match as well and my first goal, which was good. It was a memorable moment.
Agus Abbie Larkin dúirtú gréimhneoir óg ítach.
Playing with Shelbourne seniors obviously built me up to get my confidence, and yeah, obviously they were seeing how comfortable I was and how good I was getting, obviously playing with seniors, and she caught me up, gave me the chance, said I was ready, and obviously it was in Pinatar, my first ever camp. I was a bit nervous, but as soon as I started playing I was like, I'm just going to focus on the game, show what I can do, and obviously I made an impact, and then I got called into a few more camps after that. It means a lot. Obviously I grew up here and it's nice to see that everyone's supporting me and they obviously are seeing how good I'm doing. They're congratulating me, like you see everybody here, like I think I know everyone in Ringsend, but it's good to just have that support system. It just gives me good confidence and belief in myself that I'd be able to make it if I try. I think if I met my younger self, I think she might believe that I've been doing this good. Obviously back then I've obviously worked as hard as I can to try and make it and make my dreams come true and stuff. So yeah, I think she would believe it. I've always dreamed of playing at Aviva Stadium. Obviously girls, they're mainly playing in Tallaght now instead of Aviva, which I don't mind that because Tallaght is a very good stadium. It's the home ground for the women's national team. But yeah, someday hopefully playing at Aviva. I think it's been amazing. The opportunities I've gotten over the last year was amazing. Obviously I made an impact somewhere and there's so many supporters that are obviously putting my name out there and think I'm the next big thing, which is so like amazing to hear that. It just builds my confidence up so well and it makes me believe in myself a lot more.
SSE Airtricity, official sponsor of the Women's National League.